Skool versus Kajabi. In this video, we're going to be talking about Skool and Kajabi and what is the better platform to create communities and actually include and increase the style and drive of whatever you're starting up. Okay, so both of these softwares are highly used. Skool, although, is a newer software. Kajabi is pretty old and a lot of people have used it. It's great for courses and membership. And Skool, on the other hand, is also pretty good for courses, not so much for memberships. Okay, so when it comes to creating courses, what happens on Skool is that it's a pretty simple process. You're simply going to sign up for free, which is pretty incredible. Kajabi, on the other hand, has pricings. Okay, and the pricing is, I wouldn't say extremely cheap, but it's not extremely expensive as well. So it's 55, 119 on the yearly, but 69, 149, 199, and 399 on the monthly. So it's a pretty pricey software, but Kajabi would definitely work well against the price that it marks up. Okay, the features are pretty incredible and I would definitely urge you to use this. But when it comes to the actual course creation, I would definitely go with something like Skool because first of all, it's free and the course creation process is so simple. You're only going to need a name, a description, an image, and then you can start adding things into your course. Whereas on Kajabi, you're going to need to go through a lot of things. So there's different steps and lessons you're going to want to go with different membership cards and a whole lot more. And some types of courses also take a budget of money out of you. So that could cause issues for some people who might not have the budget. So that's why I personally think Skool is a great software and it's a tad better than Kajabi, but Kajabi isn't bad as well. And it might depend on the way you use it. So definitely use both of them, but I would definitely say Skool is the winner. So I hope that was helpful. Thank you for watching all the way till the end, and I'll be seeing all of you in the next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.